Hey, what's up, guys? I know all you guys out there hate looking for jobs. It's super boring. It sucks. So I made something to help with that. This is the LinkedIn bot, and I wrote it with Python, and I have two versions of it. Connect.py here will automatically reach out to recruiters based on whatever field or industry you want to start applying to jobs in. It'll reach out to them. You just put in a template that can have an introduction about yourself. You can add in a link to your resume there, and it will automatically reach out to recruiters that are actively hiring in your specific field and let them know, hey, you're looking for a job. And it will actually address them by their name directly. So I'm going to show you how that one works first. We also, coming up next, have the second program here called Easy Apply. It will actually automate most of the boring steps in applying to jobs on LinkedIn, and we're going to get to that right after Connect.py. All right, so let's dive right into Connect.py. We're going to do Python 3 Connect.py, and we're going to go ahead and run it. So first it asks for what kind of recruiter we want to look for. So I'm going to type in data science recruiter. And there it goes. So I'm not doing any of this myself. This is all the program. It's going to sign in with my LinkedIn credentials. Hit sign in. Now, LinkedIn doesn't want you using bots on their website, so sometimes they're going to have a security check. This time I didn't get one. So what my program does, it pauses for a second to allow you to enter in the security challenge, and then all you do is just hit enter in the program, and it's going to continue doing its thing. So you can see here, I'm not typing this. It just looked up data science recruiter. It's going to select the people tab, people filter. It's going to hit actively hiring. So we're only looking for recruiters that are actually looking for new hires right now. So it's going to start hitting connect. It's going to add a note. Let's see. And look at this. It's going to address them by their first name. So it gives that personal feel. Boom, includes your resume at the bottom and send. And it's just going to keep cycling through this list. You can walk away and just let it do its thing. And it's just going to keep reaching out to these recruiters. So I'm just going to cancel it, but it will just go on as long as you let it. Okay. So the next one I want to show you guys is this Easy Apply. This one is really cool. So this is the one that lets us automatically apply to jobs. So I'm going to do Python 3 easyapply.py. And first off, it's going to ask us to enter in what kind of job title we want to start applying for. So I think I'm going to do, let's try Python developer. I'm going to hit enter, and again it's just going to start and do its thing. So same kind of sequence as the last program. It's going to log in using our credentials. Again, it's going to wait for that security challenge if one pops up. So it looked like we didn't get a security challenge this time. So we're just going to wait a sec, and we're going to hit enter to skip the security challenge. And there it goes. So it looked up Python developer. It's going to search the jobs filter. It's going to select easy apply. And now the program, it's going to pause for a sec because it's going to let you manually enter in whatever other additional filters you want to do. So for me, I know I want to do remote jobs. I don't want to have to drive to work. So I'm going to select remote, hit show. That filter is now applied. So going back over here to the program, I'm going to hit enter to let the bot take over again and do its thing. And it's going to start searching for jobs. Give it a little minute here. And now it's going to start applying. So I've already been running this program a bit, so some of these jobs it looks like I already applied to. So it's going to skip that job. I already applied to this job as well, so it's going to skip that one. This next one, it should be able to apply to. So here's one I haven't applied to yet. The bot's going to hit easy apply, and it's just going to start filling out this application all by itself. So it's running through, got my resume there. It's going to have additional questions. And here's the thing, sometimes there will be different additional questions on here. So it might just ask you to fill in whatever wasn't already filled in. Here I'm just going to hit yes, I'm a US citizen. And I'm going to go back over here and hit enter, and it's just going to keep filling out the application automatically. So this part isn't perfectly automated. There is that one manual step that you'll occasionally have to do if you get some of those additional application questions that are custom to the job. But this does automate almost all of the steps, and it's still going. So I'm not doing any of this myself. This is all the program. Again, we have some additional questions here. The program picks up that there's additional questions, so it's going to freeze it, and all you have to do is answer the questions that aren't already answered. Do I have event-based data modeling experience? Yes. Am I a U.S. citizen? Yes. I'm going to just hit enter, and it's going to keep going. It's going to submit the application. It's going to close out, and it's just going to keep moving on through all the applications. So that's pretty much it. Please leave a like down below. Leave a comment if you tried this out. I'm going to leave a link to the GitHub with this code in the description section of this video. And if you can, I would appreciate it if this is helpful to you. Venmo me $1, $5, whatever you can. And I'm going to leave my Venmo in the description as well. No worries if you can't, but I would really appreciate it. Thanks.